Today we're taking a closer look at the Ford Performance Camshaft Drive Kit for the 2011 to 2014 Mustang GT. If you're wanting to upgrade your engine with aftermarket cams or simply refresh your timing system, this kit provides all the necessary components to maintain or enhance engine performance. The Ford Performance Camshaft Drive Kit is designed to replace or upgrade your stock timing components with premium quality parts engineered specifically for the Mustang GT engine. This kit is going to include heavy-duty timing chains, upgraded primary and secondary tensioners, and camshaft phasers to ensure accurate and reliable valve timing. Perfect for high-performance builds, these components in this kit are designed to handle the increased stresses of aftermarket camshafts and elevated RPM ranges. The kit includes everything required to overhaul your timing system, saving you the hassle of sourcing those individual parts. Its OEM level fitment ensures compatibility with both stock and upgraded setups, making it an ideal choice for reliability and longevity. This kit is crafted with high quality materials to withstand the rigors and demands of performance applications. The timing chains are engineered for strength and reduced stretch over time, while the camshaft phasers and tensioners provide smooth operations under extreme conditions. Every component in the kit is made to meet or exceed OEM standards, ensuring durability and reliable performance for years to come. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this kit, it's coming in right in that low $600 price range. The quality and the performance benefits make it a worthwhile addition to any high-performance Mustang build. The install here is pretty involved, and it's going to come in at a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you're going to want to dedicate a full day to complete the job. The process is a pretty detailed job that's going to require advanced mechanical skills, given that you need to disassemble and reassemble significant portions of the engine. Timing components must be installed with some precision to avoid potential engine damage. So if you're not comfortable tackling this yourself, professional installation is going to be recommended. All right, well, that's going to wrap up my review of the Ford Performance Camshaft Drive Kit for the 2011 to 2014 Mustang GTs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.